use solids every day. They're very important. You brush your teeth with a toothbrush. You sit at a desk at your classroom. Read from a book. Play with your toys. We can see and touch solids. Solids are one form of matter in our world. The next form of matter, liquid, is also very important. Water is an important liquid that you use every single day. Let's see how liquids are different from solids. Oops, excellent illustration. Liquids change their shape. Spilling shows us that a liquid has no shape of its own. When you pour a liquid, it takes the shape of the container it's poured into. Fill this vase to the top with water. It's full. Pour the same full vase into the big glass bowl, and it only fills the bottom. Now, what two forms of matter have we covered?
Solids and liquid.
And that leaves gas. The third form of matter is all around you.
Where?
The air around you is made up of different gases. Can you feel air?
You can feel the wind. I feel air when I take a breath.
The air you breathe and the wind you feel is made of gases. These gases are matter too. Maybe this will help. Well, go on, blow them up. When you breathe in, gas fills your lungs. Now, blow the air out. It takes up space in the balloon. And remember, matter takes up space. The air that you are taking in and letting out is gas. The third form of matter, gas, is very important. All living things need gas to live. Gases do not keep the same shape or size. They take on the shape of what they fill. So far, we've discovered that matter can be
A solid. A liquid. A gas.
Those are the three forms of matter. What else do we know about matter?
Matter is what everything is made of. Matter is everything you can see, and some things you cannot see.
And where is matter?
Matter is everywhere.
And what are you describing when you say how something looks, sounds, smells, tastes, or feels?
Its properties.
What are two properties that all matter has?
It takes up space, and it has mass.
Very good. And mass is?
Mass is how much matter is in something.
Finally, name the three forms of matter that we find in our world.
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Now, did you want a liquid with your solid?